Okay, we're working on a 3900 diesel mower. A latch, a duck latch. Gonna make our own. This thing bounces around all over the road when it's driven. They're not made to be driven. But we're gonna attempt to fix that. We're gonna put a latch together here. Like I said, we're gonna put a latch to hold this together. Quarter inch drill bit. Gonna rivet this in there. Good strong steel. Get this together. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna rivet them up. So it's gonna be latched with these. Oh, now we gotta work on the grasp. So now we're gonna weld something here for it to for the hook part. That's all gotta get done. We're gonna have to do some trimming, but that's basically gonna be the gist of it. Eventually I gotta get a tripod for this to make this work better, but right now this is gonna be fine. We're just gonna guesstimate on the cut because we're gonna have to trim it anyway. I know a lot of people don't have access to a bandsaw like this, but let me tell you, it does make things a lot better. Good. Okay, let's see where we're looking. I think that'll work. Think about there is going to do nicely. I tell people, don't have to be perfect, it just got to work. And I think this will work nice. Well, I had to redo it again, remark it again, because I forgot to clean the metal here. So I'm gonna have to remark it for it. I got a magnet behind here and it's just not cooperating just yet. There we go. I just want to make it nice as possible. So there we go, the market. And now we can weld her up, trim her up, kind of get her ready to where we need to be. I had to trim a little off the top up here, just 'cause I didn't want that hitting, but I think now we're going to be good. There's a little bit of a gap there, so this is all the way flush, so it doesn't go any higher. There's some stops here that it keeps it from. So this is all the way to the top, so that can't go up, but it can go down. So I think we're at a good spot right there. So when it's fully latched, I think we'll be all right. I might have to raise this higher so I can adjust the screws up a little bit, but that's okay. That's what they give you screws for, to adjust it. So there is no book for this. This is something we're making specific for this mower. They should come with something like this, because these mowers aren't made to be driven on the road. But unfortunately, we have to get to certain areas. And these ducks weigh a lot. They're huge. As you can see, it's a big mower. So we're coming up with a plan to lock it in place when it's in transport mode. Alright, we're getting ready to do a little welding here. Well, that's the gist of it. So I gotta do the other side of it still. Tack the other side, and we can start assemble. That's basically legit. All right, she's all welded in place. Now it's just a matter of everything is still a little warm. Marking where we're going to put this. I'm probably going to put it close to the top, since to give us some more room on the threads up there as much as possible. But yeah, it's hard. It's going to be hard for me to mark it and put this all together at the same time. So I'm going to have to pause it and come back. Well, looks like we're going to have to do a little bit more welding to make this bottom bracket. It just won't bolt in like I thought it would. So we're going to weld this to this. Not a big deal. That's the gist of it. Did get it welded in at the greatest, but it was tight where I was. But as long as it holds, there's still a bolt through it anyway. So all we really wanted to do is just to make it secure. Alright, there's the latch. And still though, it's gonna work. That's gonna be the key.